All right, example 2. Rewrite the following fractions as a percent. Now, fractions into percent are a little bit more complicated. Fraction 2%. Okay. The easiest way to do a fraction to percent is to write a proportion. And the proportion is going to look like this. Your fraction, whatever it is, for writing numbers right here, F-R-A-C-T-I-O-N equals P over 100. So your left-hand side is a fraction such as 3/20ths or 1 7/20. You want your fraction to be an improper fraction or a proper fraction. You don't want mixed numbers, right? But again, the fraction they give you equals P over 100. P is the answer to the problem. So you're going to set this up just like this, and then you're going to cross multiply. And then you're going to put a percent symbol on answer to P. Whatever answer you get, P equals whatever, it's that percent. So you're going to put a percent symbol to represent it's a percent, not just a whole number. So if that's my technique, that's how I'm going to do this. I'm going to do part A in red. The fraction they gave me in part A is 3/20. So step 1 is take whatever fraction they gave me, 3/20, set it equal to P over 100. That's always step 1. Once you've applied step 1, then you're going to solve for P. What we've done is we've created a proportion. We've already seen that this chapter. When we see a proportion, we're going to do the cross products. So I'm going to take the upward product, 20 times P, is equal to the downward product, 3 times 100. Okay, use calculators as necessary for calculation. Hopefully 3 times 100 equals 300 is not that bad. But if you're unsure, use a calculator to verify. Then, if 20P is equal to 300, I'm going to divide both sides by 20. We punch that in our calculator, we're going to get P is equal to 15. So again, 3/20 is not 15, it's 15%. So 3/20 is equal to 15%. All right. If I look at 1 7/20, notice this is a mixed number. I want this to be an improper fraction before I make my proportion up. Mixed numbers don't do well in proportion. So if I make this mixed number into an improper fraction, if you recall how to do that, you're going to multiply the whole number times the bottom, add that result to the top, right? So it's multiply, add. So 1 times 20 is 20, 20 plus 7 is 27. So part B, I'm taking 27 over 20, setting that equal to P over 100. Whatever my fraction structure is, whatever it is, I want it to be just a number over a number structure. That fraction structure equals P over 100. That's how you build the proportion. And again, we just cross multiply. The upward product equals the downward product. So upward, 20 times P, equals the downward product, 27 times 100, which is 2,700. If 20P is equal to 2,700, we divide both sides by 20. We do 270 divided by 20, we get 135. Again, put the percent symbol on. If you're supposed to write your answer as a percent, if you're trying to find a percent, it should have a percent symbol on it. That identifies it as a percent instead of a whole number or a decimal number.
Where did you get 135 from?
I divided 2,700 by 20.
That's what I did, and I got 138.5.
Let's see. 2,700 divided by 20. What if you did 27 or 50 maybe?
I don't know, the first time I did it, I got 138.5.
137.5. Maybe you did 2755 divided by 20? No. Maybe you did 2760 divided by 20? No. Getting closer. 2770 divided by 20? There we go. You probably hit 2770 instead of 2700. We'll call that be more careful typing in the calculator. Right? But the technique, you understand the technique, right? So just we'll be more careful typing in the calculator to get the right answer.